So first thing, you're going to come and connect the gray wire to the little pigtail coming out of the electrical cabinet. Alright, we'll come down here to the end of the press. We've already got it set up. See, the shooter box is right here. You can see the gray or the black box on the end of the gray wire. That gray wire gets connected to the box in the back. And if you notice, the short end from the black box always goes to the computer, and the long end goes to the electrical cabinet. There's your power button. We're going to turn the power on right there. And as you can see, we already have the tabber set up at this end of the press. There's the area that we're going to be shooting it. The tab's in, and you can see approximately how far we are from the paper in the corner of the sheet. You'll have to adjust that or dial that in as you begin to print. So the easy part is we're going to come over here, and you can see the tabber has already been set up for 100s. We have one button to push. We push the arrow button, and we punch in 50, which is how many per pad we're going to do on this job right here. Hit the arrow button again, and you're ready to go. Right into the counter, so it doesn't count the make radius and not begin counting until Jeff turned on the good count.